This question deals with the relationship between relative strength of IMFs and the properties of boiling point, freezing point, viscosity, and surface tension. As we've seen, that in general, the stronger IMFs are, the higher boiling point and freezing points are, higher viscosity, stronger surface tension. And physically, this makes sense because all of these are related to the tendency of molecules to stick together. Let's consider the structure of each of these compounds. The oxygen atoms are those that are colored red. Here's the black atoms are carbon, and the hydrogen atoms are in white. Both of these molecules are polar, but the diethyl ether is only very slightly polar. This is largely due to the symmetry of the molecule and the fact the oxygen is somewhat hindered. Acetone is a bit more polar than diethyl ether, and we can see that in the values of the surface tension as well as the viscosity. Slightly higher values for the acetone relative to the diethyl ether. Now let's look at the ethanol and ethylene glycol. We see that both of them have OH group, so both of these are going to experience hydrogen bonding. However, the hydrogen bonding in the ethylene glycol is much higher because there are two groups versus one in the ethanol. So we can see these compounds are ranked relative to intermolecular forces, getting stronger as we move down the table, and the same is true for the properties of surface tension and viscosity.